Hi guys, I wanted to make a short video about this sell-off on Bitcoin. So on June 26 we saw this strong sell-off from here. So Bitcoin was almost at $14,000 and we saw a very strong, almost $4,000 drop. And I want to show you why this place, and if you were long, how could you use two different tools to take profit at this place and avoid this strong sell-off. So first, if you follow me long enough, you know that I use on many times Fibonacci's and pivot points. They work great as support resistance, and if you want to have a precise entries and so on. So if we check our pivot points, monthly pivot points, you can see that almost to the point this was the place where move ended. So we have our first resistance line over here, second over here, and third over here. And you can see that that third level worked as a target. Bigger players were taking profits over here at this third level, and this was the place where sell-off started. Before that, you can see pivot line working as a support. So yeah, this monthly pivot points gave you good information about possible targets, especially when you see that price is approaching second or third line. It's pretty rare, so you should be careful. From my experience, this second and third lines are not good places to go with the trend. These are places to either take profit or look for some reversal trade. Another way you could predict that there might be a resistance at this level was to use Fibonacci lines. So if we go to higher time frame, so let's check this swing and let's see where are important retracements. So we have our retracements lines, and you can see that this 61 retracement, 61.8, which is always a very important one, combined with third line from pivot. This was area of strong resistance for the price. So many players, many bigger institutions probably were watching this area and set take profit targets at this levels, because they had information from Fibonacci's about this retracement, important retracement, and it's pretty common that you check retracements from bigger swings from higher time frames, and there was this clear indication that after this strong move, price was reaching a third resistance line from monthly pivot. They chose this as a take profit target. And there's so two different tools which could help you to avoid this trap, avoid this strong sell-off. That's why I like to check what's going on with Fibonacci's, what's going on with pivot points. It can help you a lot, and this is a good example how it worked in Bitcoin, and it works the same with different instruments.